Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with this hair review, okay? And it's going to be a tutorial as well. I'm just going to show you guys how I installed this hair and just let you know how many braids I did and how long it took. So I was sent this hair. The company is Seriya. You can get the hair on Amazon. So Seriya, I'll put it down. Also, I'll put it in this description box, guys. Um, I love this hair. Like, it's soft. It has so much body. It looks natural. It comes with 4 packs of hair. And I got the T1B 27. So the 1B and 27 together. Let me show you guys how the hair look, okay? So you get 4 packs of these right here. So it comes like this. So this is the hair, guys. And you see it stretch. So it could stretch up to, I believe, 18 inches. But I really love it. It gives me like, I mean, I'm a natural hair girl anyway, but it's like, it gives me that, like, this is what I would want. Like, when my hair grow more, this is the look that I would want. So, you see? Like, you can do the crochet, which I did. Some people I saw reviews. Some people did 2-strand twists, and it looks like really natural. Looks really good. Yeah. So this is the hair, nice and soft, really bouncy. You see, I would definitely say get this hair. Yeah. So I would definitely leave the link in the description box, and so now let's get to the tutorial. Okay guys, so I have the hair, the piece of hair. I have my crochet needle. So I'm going to put the crochet needle going downward. I'm going to put the hair onto the latch, and then I'm going to close it. Okay? Once you have it closed, you pull it through. I'm going to grab the hair. So this end right here, with my right hand, there's a loop. It's open. Now I'm going to pull the hair through it. Then I'm going to pull the hair again one more time so it could lock better, you know, so I won't have any slip outs. Okay. I'm going to do it again. Put the hair through, put it on the hook, close the latch, pull it through. Okay, so now I'm going to pull the hair in the loop, then again, and pull it towards the root. Okay guys, so I put more here in the spaces. I was like, okay, so I'm going to do the tutorial. So I just left it like it was. So what I did this morning was, just to give it so it wouldn't be all on my face and I wanted to, a certain volume, I took my eye archer, okay? And basically you grab the hair that, just so you can see, you know, like, just to like layer it. So I just took it like this, and you just basically do this. Okay, I'm just gonna do this a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, okay. I think it's good. If I want to like shape it up a little bit more, I would do that. Um, Tease it a little bit. Depends on how big you want it. I like big hair, so. All right. So yeah. So basically, I used my crochet needle, and I braided my hair, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 braids in the front to halfway, and then I braided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I braided the braids together and like made bigger braids in the back. Look at that. I love this hair, guys. I love this hair. Um, yeah, I'm so happy that they actually, contacted me and wanted me to try it, because this is gonna be the hair that I probably get, that I get often. I don't know how long it's gonna last. This is day 2, so well, I installed it yesterday evening, so this is a full day. Yeah, so I guess I can come back and update you guys in a week or two to let you know how long it lasted or whatever. The hair was not expensive at all. It was about $23 and change plus shipping. So you're probably paying about $30 because shipping is like $7. Um, yeah, so and then you get the 4 packs. I did not use all 4 packs, guys. I still have like almost a whole bunch of hair left. I'm just going to show you how much I have left. So this is how much hair I still have left, and look how big it is. Look how full it is. So you don't have to use all of the hair. Also, it comes with 2 clips, which was nice because I needed, to hold my hair up while I was braiding my hair. Yeah, so again, guys, I will put the link for you guys to purchase the hair in my subscription box. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give me a thumbs up. I will come back to you guys soon with some more hair tutorials, hair reviews, or makeup, all of that stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.